Hi guys, Chris here with Super Savvy Travelers. Hey, today we are heading south into Amantea, which is a really nice little area down there right along the sea. And this place is 150 meters from the sea. Now, in America, we don't use meters so much, but it's a very, very short walk. And it's got 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, beautiful wraparound terrace. Now, there's 2 things about this apartment that I think really give it the value that you're looking for. Number 1 is its proximity to the sea. 3 things, actually. Number 2, the wraparound terrace that gives you sea views and views of the historic center. 3, you're right near all of the services that you ever need. In fact, I noticed one of the pictures from the window shows a little bar cafeteria down there. So your cornetto is just steps away in the morning. Anyway, take a look, guys. I think you're gonna love it.